Utah. We made an impromptu trip to St. George, Utah. We're gonna go to Zion, Yosemite. Oh. You said we're going to Yosemite. We're going somewhere. I don't know. I've just been, you know, here for the ride. I've been passenger princess this entire trip, and now I have to get behind the wheel. Hopefully the B-roll from here to the next stop is decent. If it's not, that's on John. All right, first Tesla charge of this trip. From leaving LA to here, it's gone up like 25 degrees. We are definitely in the desert. Road trip is continuing. I don't know where we are now, but all I know is it's 100 degrees out. I think we're like an hour from Vegas. We are at another charging supercharger in this station, and this is probably my favorite one ever. We're in, it's called Prim Valley. There's literally a roller coaster there. So we're charging the Tesla and we came into the casino, and it is like the weirdest vibes in here. It's kind of like a dystopia almost. There's no one here, but also at the same time it's kind of cool. Like, who designed this place? Absolutely not. The absolute weirdest vibe in the Prim Center, straight out of like a recession. No bueno. Yeah. Give me a come on.
Hey, this is probably the happiest you'll see me in this entire vlog. I know I'm pretty crabby most of the time, but doesn't get much better than this. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Before the love came in.
All right, we're at another casino. This one is significantly nicer than the last one. We're at Casablanca in Mesquite, Nevada.
General no send me, now I'm alone. Now you no send me, you just a post, you just a popo me, you just a popo.
We made it, the Best Western. And the pool is actually pretty nice. Usually I'm very anti-public pool, but this one I can roll with. St. George, officially full day, first official day. I went swimming today, that's why I'm looking crusty. I'm feeling hangry, so we're walking to the Cracker Barrel. John, have you been to a Cracker Barrel? It's an experience for sure. Our Cracker Barrel, biscuits and gravy. Not to be at Karen, but waited approximately an hour for our food. But it is what it is. We're in historic downtown St. George. I love this shirt. I love this couch and this and this. This is gorgeous. Oh. $5. Okay. Yeah.
They answer me, ewo, kilo deo, ewo, kilo deo. City where they beg you, she bambi alamu Jenny, and you know say you find too. All the girls go they find you.
We're en route to get some frozen custard. I was at that pool all day today, and it was glorious. Okay, major life decision needs to be made right now. Do we go to this cute pie shop, or do we go to the custard shop? I'd be lying if 90% of the reason I want to go here is because that is just so dang cute. These are so freaking cute. Like,
me, I know fit compare you. It be you, it be me. Normally I know they do like this, but nobody only. Don't be say I be John the Baptist. I got issues. Girl, I made you cry and I gave you tissues. After that I kissed you, then we made sweet love like we always do. You say I let you on, you said before long.
guys, we are in, I think, Coral Pink. It says on my hat, Coral Pink Sand State Park. And we're going sand boarding. Okay, so we're like an hour out of Zion. I'm lathered in sunscreen, so please no skin cancer. Fully strapped.
All the guys gonna find me. Me, I no fit attend to. Me, I no fit compare you. You, I wish I said this before, but you're messing with my
That was easiest, the hardest workout maybe of my life. Climbing up those dunes, that was a beast. And we're covered. Oh, I have a sand mustache. Perfect. And I had just put sunscreen on before we went out there, and so I have a thick layer of sand. It's only 70 degrees.
You can stay here.
If it would have been any hotter, I think I would have passed out. I packed my PJs. We are en route to
make
Zion.
some love, put your hands on my thighs. I know say you be hot cake, 100 yards off by my
Made it to
TV.
Zion National Park. What a view.
Be my TV. Ewo, ewo, kilo deo. Ewo, ewo, kilo deo. City where I dey beg you, she bambi alamo Jenny. And you know say you fine too. All the girls go they find you.
The Last Supper in St. George. Tomorrow we're heading to Vegas, baby. Since we're classy, our Last Supper will be at Texas Roadhouse because we have coupons. We're close enough to Texas, right? I mean, not really, but it's in the same country at least, so. Peace out, St. George. We stayed at the Aiden by Best Western. Highly recommend. To Vegas, we're staying at the Paris, and this is what we got so far. We've got a Bubba Gump, a Walgreens, Rainforest Cafe, the Holy Trinity right there. Oh, it is large. All right, let's see the view. Is that the Bellagio? This is the best view hotel we've probably stayed at. Other side looks like not as great. I think there's a fire going on right there. That does not look good. Go into the pool. Dun, ta-da. We have made it to the pool and it is packed. I have never experienced a pool like this before. I feel like it's similar to what would be like a resort in Cancun. It's poppin'. We got the Eiffel Tower right there. And I bought a little snacky snack. The sandwich cost me $16. The hotel was cheap, but you'll make up for it for paying an absurd amount of money for the worst food ever, so Viva Las Vegas. Right off the bat, I just have to say it's a little dystopian. I don't know. It's not the best of humanity in like casinos. It's really not. But oh, there's that fly zip lining for like $300. Yeah, on the strip. All right, the hotel. The Hotel Cecil shirt into flesh. We're going to get some pizza now. And we're gonna drive there because everything on the strip is too dang expensive. But here's the view at dusk. Excited to see what it looks like at night.
'Cause everybody's sinning and shooting dice. The rest of the world.
When I was little, I always wanted to do this, but I never could afford it. Now, I can. Gumballs? No.
Wait, hold up.
Vegas traffic is no freaking joke.
Yeah, take it from a local like Ann. Vegas traffic, just every day going to work, it is just not it.
We've been in this same intersection for 20 minutes and we're not moving. It doesn't help that I ate like a bag of this.
Up in Atlanta, moved out to Santa Fe.
Vegas day 2 and we're on the road again. We're heading to Hoover Dam. We don't really know what like the history of it, but I guess there's no better place to learn than the dam itself.
It's built by Herbert Hoover's administration in the 1930s.
For what purpose?
It's a reservoir for the citizens of Nevada, Arizona, and California. It's the largest reservoir in the United States.
There you have it, folks. But first, we're going to 2 food places. One, St. Honore, like donuts, coffee shop. I follow them on TikTok. And then the second one, which is very exciting, is the Bagel Nook. I did a work trip out. They have one in New Jersey, and it's like a family-owned restaurant.
No place to even stay. Wound up waiting tables.
Bagel Nook haul. I got some for my brother. He likes the hot Cheeto ones. She's thick. I got the tie-dye with Fruity Pebble, cream cheese.
Like I was living in Las Vegas.
We went to the Hoover Dam. John and I both have heat stroke. I mean, it's likely. It's 95, but it just feels like it's just 95 degrees. I'm not built for this. And honestly, it's like too hot to be by the pool even. All right, we are back from the trip, unpacking or attempting to. This will bring us to the end of this time to travel chronicle. We did California, we were in Utah, we were in Nevada, we like kind of crossed through Arizona. Thank you for following along on the travel diaries. Until the next trip.